Nice to see you too.
Yeah, tell me, what did you do today?
I did my homework today.
Excellent, excellent. And was it easy or was it difficult?
It was easy.
Good, very good. I remember we had a class about bullying. Remember that?
Yes.
How is your friend? How is she doing?
She's doing good. She likes me now, and the bullies are still getting worse. I will be a new girl too, teacher. I will be a third grader. I'll be the new student, but what if some students bully me? Sometimes they will say they are unfamiliar with me. Sometimes they will say, "Who is that girl? She looks so ugly."
She looks so what? Ugly?
They would say that. Some mean boys.
Right. But remember what you do if there's boys that are mean? What do you do?
Tell them not to bully me. I will say, "I wish you'd stop bullying me." And what if they say I'm ugly? I'll say, "Do you think you're beautiful?"
Good job. You remembered. So you're going to be in third grade. When are you going to start school? When do you start school?
I don't know. I don't know when did our school start. I don't know because I haven't seen our school website.
Oh, okay. You haven't seen the website? Okay, but it should be starting maybe in September? Next month?
Yeah. No. It's just
No?
another time.
Yeah? Maybe later? Not this month, August. This is August.
Yes.
Is it going to start? It is going to start in August?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's exciting. It's always fun to go to a new school. Yeah.
Teacher.
Okay, well, we're going to...
Can we start with this lesson?
Yes, we are going to start. Okay, can you tell me the title?
Science lesson. Pioneers in the field of science.
Excellent. Very good. Do you know what the word pioneers means?
It means that someone who is important in the first development.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Okay, can you read the introduction, please?
In this lesson, we will be introduced to some phenomenal minds that pioneered discoveries in different fields. Much of the knowledge we have had its foundation set by people who studied extensively and made groundbreaking revelations in their time.
Okay, anything you don't understand there? Is there anything you need to, know the understanding of? Do you understand what it says?
Yes.
Excellent. Very good. That's great. Okay, very good. So let's go on. Let me just make sure of what we're doing here. Okay, what does it mean? Much of the knowledge we have had its foundation. What does foundation mean, Janie?
A club.
Say that again.
A club.
Foundation is a clock?
No, let me type it in this page, okay?
Okay.
I need a
Let
pen.
me give you the pencil. Sure, you like to draw. You like to write. Okay, here you go, Jane.
I said this one. No. Oh no! Look at these.
Huh?
CLUB. This one.
Club. Why do you think that is the same word for club? Foundation.
Someone had opened it.
Okay, had started it, right. The foundation means, it's just like when someone's going to build a house, Janie. The first thing they build, the first thing they do when they're going to build a house is the foundation. The foundation is the beginning, the most important part. The base is the foundation. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay. And phenomenal minds? What's phenomenal minds?
Phenomenal means you discovered things.
Okay, but they're talking about minds. Phenomenal minds. So it's talking about your brain. Right, the brain. So if I said Jeannie has a phenomenal mind, what am I saying?
That I'm intelligent.
Right. That's right. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, let me give you a star because you did that great. Those tough words.
Woohoo!
Yeah, you like stars, and you always get stars, I'm sure. Okay, let's ask the question and you answer it. Okay, Janie?
What does it mean to be a pioneer? It means someone who is the first person to do something
Very good. That is a pioneer. They are the ones that lead us out. Sometimes when people go to a new country, nobody's ever been there, it's the pioneers that go and discover the new land. Very good. Okay, number 2.
Would you like to have discovered something new? Right. Insects have emotions.
That's what you would like to discover?
Yeah.
If insects have emotions?
Yes, they have
Oh.
emotions such as angry, happy, angry and happy.
Really? Oh. So you would like to discover that, or you discovered that already?
I discovered that.
What insect has emotions? All of them?
Yes.
Really?
So,
a little ant? An ant? Do you know what an ant is?
Yeah. It's an insect with mandibles and antennae.
So it's an insect. Can an ant get angry?
It will open its mandibles and attack. Woo!
Okay, and
Sorry, a fly just flew here.
they're saying, yeah, I can get happy, I can get angry. Okay, very good. good. That's a very interesting discovery. Very interesting. Okay, let's find out about, like you said, a pioneer. These are all words you read. So let's have you do the vocabulary words. Read it, please.
Pioneer. Someone who is important in the early development of something and whose work or ideas are later developed by other people. Revelation. The act of suddenly making known a surprising fact that had previously been secret. Molecule. The smallest unit into which any substance can be divided without losing its own chemical nature.
Wow, now that's amazing, huh? A molecule. That's the smallest unit. Smallest unit. That's amazing. Okay, let's find out about two men who were very, very smart. And his name, because he's Italian, his name is Avogadro Amedeo.
Avogadro Amedeo.
Excellent. Good job. Can you read about him?
This influential man was an Italian physicist as well as a mathematician. He has been most noted for his findings on molecular theory. In the year 1811, he researched and published his theory of the distinction between the molecule and the atom.
Very good, very good. And what was he? He was a physicist as well as a, what is this word again?
Mathematician.
Good, mathematician. Okay, good. So, when was Amadeo born? What year?
1776.
Okay, and when did he discover?
1811.
Okay, so how old was Amadeo? Do you know? Can you think of how many numbers? How old would he have been?
Old?
How old? How old was he?
Very old.
Yeah? How old?
I think he was
born in 1776, and he discovered the molecule theory in 1811. So how old could he have been?
This one?
Almost.
This one.
29. No, I think he was 35. 35.
Wow. He's very old. 35 years old.
Well, really, for a scientist, that isn't old. That's pretty young.
So he was the youngest.
Seemed young to have been able to discover something very young. So, that's good encouragement for you, Janie. You are young, and you could be very young when you find something very, very special. That would be great. Okay, let's learn about another man. Now, these numbers I don't think are correct because it says the early 1990s. I don't think it was 1990s. But let's read about Frederick.
Bergius Frederick. Frederick was a well-known German chemist who operated in the early... What?
Yeah,
What did you post it?
True.
I'll just read the early.
Yeah. Right, because that number isn't correct. That's not correct. We're going to let them know so they can fix that, but that's not correct.
It was he who made lubricants and synthetic fuels from coal. In the year 1910, this man established a private laboratory where he began researching what happens when coal and oils are placed under extreme pressure.
Yeah. So he was a chemist. A chemist. So they like to experiment with different materials and see what happens. And that's what he found. Put coal and oil together. That makes a very important substance. Okay, that you get from these two things, coal and oil. For many years, those were products that ran trains, ran a lot of different machinery. So it was a very important discovery. And where was this man from?
Germany.
Yeah, Germany. Yeah, that's why his name is like that, Frederick Bergius. Okay. Any questions about this man?
No, I have no questions about this man.
Excellent. Okay, now these are very good questions. Can you answer them?
Which contribution do you find the most interesting?
Do they seem interesting to you? Or maybe you know of somebody else, someone else who discovered something.
I know. Stephen. Wait for me.
Oh, wow, yes.
Discovered black holes. Wait for me.
Exactly. And I think his name is spelled not with the ing, but Hawkins. So it was with an S, Hawkins.
No, his name is like this. This one. Oopsie, sorry. No, this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I thought it was with a K-I-N-S, but it's Hawkins with a G. Okay, yeah, he was a very famous man. And tell me a little bit. Tell me what you know about Stephen Hawkins. What else? What was he like?
Well, teacher, we should call him Hawking, not Hawkins.
Hawkins? I don't think you pronounced it Hawkins.
Hawking. Well,
what do you know about him? Tell me what you know about him.
He studied science in Cambridge University.
Yes, very famous. And something happened to him. Do you remember what happened to him?
He had a disease.
Yes. But did that stop him?
No.
No, he kept going, even though he couldn't move. He couldn't even move his hands, his fingers. He just his head. He was a very, very special person. Very special. Good job. Okay, how about question number 2?
I'm interested in animals.
Oh, really? So, yeah, like insects.
Yeah.
Okay, so what would you like to learn about animals, Janie?
I'd like to learn about How do they find? How do they?
You can write it.
Do
It's good for you to write.
mating?
Oh, really?
Well,
Amazing.
do you know what? Mating is very special. When I looked at my beetles were very funny. A male beetle climbed onto a female beetle's back, and the female walked.
Yeah.
Very funny.
Yeah,
And then the next time, I saw two male beetles One male beetle is riding on the other male beetle's back. Funny.
Right. Yeah, okay, well, let's get going. Yeah, you're right. That's how you spell his name, Hawkins. Very good. Okay, tell me which word goes here, Janie.
I need a pen.
You
Okay.
have the pen,
Polymer.
or you can just circle it. Just circle it. Which word would it be? He is a polymer in the field of science?
Yeah.
Polymer. Is that right?
Yes.
No, remember what was the word we learned that shows that they were
Whoopsie.
the first ones to do things?
Pioneer.
Right, you can't forget that word. That's a very good word. He's a pioneer. Yeah. Okay, good job. Good job. Got it right. And okay, the material contains synthesis. Is that right?
Yes. Sorry. Synthetic.
What word is it? Synthetic. Very good. You're right. Oh, I'm so sorry. I need to be giving you these stars. Yay. You told about Stephen Hawking. Very good. Okay, let's do. What were the answers?
Pioneer and synthetic.
Synthetic. Synthetic means it's not natural. They put things that are not natural together. Like synthetic would be like plastic. Something plastic.
And something which can cause pollution.
Right. Okay. It says you are interviewing one of these two people mentioned in the activity. Compile a list of questions you would like to ask them. What would you like to ask Amadeus?
No, I'm not. Teacher, I'm interviewing this person.
Okay, Frederick, okay? Tell me a question, one question.
What happens when coal and oils are under extreme pressure?
Good question. Good question. Excellent. Good job. Okay. And what would you want to be famous for? What would you like to be famous for?
For being sorry. Being a zoologist.
Oh, that would be great. Zoologist.
Just
Excellent, Janie. Very nice. Okay, let's give you your last star. Wonderful. Okay. Okay, and one more question. Give an example of a remarkable invention or discovery.
Okay. Steve Jobs invented the
That's right.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah.
I need to find my P. Oh.
Hey.
Hey. iPhone.
Perfect, Janie. Very good. You did great tonight. Keep learning new words so you can make wonderful sentences like you did tonight. Very good. I'll see you again, Janie.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend.